In an age where the echoes of freedom and justice resonate across continents, the plight of those who stand on the front lines of democracy often goes unnoticed. Yet today, the spotlight turns to Zimbabwe, where the tremors of governmental overreach have not only been felt, but have also sparked a global response. At the heart of this unfolding drama stands Martin Chungong, the Secretary General of the Interparliamentary Union, an organization deeply rooted in the principles of democracy and human rights. From the serene halls of the IPU headquarters in Geneva, a city synonymous with international diplomacy and peace, Chungong has emerged not just as a speaker, but as a beacon of hope for those ensnared in the struggles against oppression. In a recent statement, Chungong addressed the escalating situation in Zimbabwe, where members of parliament find themselves under severe pressure from government forces. With the precision of a seasoned diplomat, he expressed a profound solidarity with these MPs, whose roles in fostering democratic values are being challenged by an increasingly assertive government. Chungong's call to action goes beyond mere rhetoric. It is a clarion call for international awareness and intervention. He urges global leaders and human rights organizations to not only watch, but to act, to intervene where injustice casts its shadow, and to ensure that the voices of the oppressed are not stifled. As the world watches, the IPU under Chungong's leadership is actively working to mobilize support and resources. The goal is clear: to safeguard the democratic processes and protect those who legislate on behalf of the people. It's a monumental task, one that involves navigating the complex web of international politics and human rights advocacy. In summary, the situation in Zimbabwe remains tense and fraught with challenges. Martin Chungong has taken a definitive stand, aligning the IPU with the forces of democracy and justice. His statements not only highlight the ongoing struggles faced by Zimbabwean MPs, but also underscore a broader commitment to upholding human rights worldwide. The road ahead is uncertain, but the resolve is unmistakable. As efforts continue to address these critical issues, the international community remains vigilant, ready to support and reinforce the foundations of freedom and justice whenever they are threatened.